When I'm traveling, I like to bring an extension cord, and this one has a surge protector, so I'm really interested because look how small it is. This is the box that it ships in. This is the unit itself. You can see that it ships with just cardboard. That's pretty nice. No extra plastic packaging. It's wasted. So we've got the twist tie here. Now this one has a 6-foot cable. It's heavy duty and flat. The extension part has 3 grounded outlets, as you can see, and it's surge protected. There's a flat wall outlet that's at an angle, so this will go in and there's no stress on the cord, and this will be ideal for when we go traveling and we want to bring an extension cord and extra plugs. So if we need to bring a power from behind a nightstand or behind a bed or something, and then we have more plugs right away. I'd like to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.